Hey, it's Amal, and today I wanted to make a video, kind of a update about, um, I mean, the last few weeks. I had a lot of change lately, and basically the last videos I recorded were recorded in advance because I had a lot of things going on. And one of them and one of these changes are that I decided to move to Berlin. I took some month to decide to move here, just exploring what kind of opportunities I could find here, especially for the business I have, and also some project I want to develop. And so basically, this is a little like this is a long story. I don't know if it's gonna be interesting or whatever, but just just to explain, basically, last year I decided, well, not last year, but 2 years ago, I decided to move to Cyprus. And initially it was going great. My main goal was also developing the business I have, and networking and meeting new people, you know. Um, but then Cyprus kind of got a little harder because with the current geopolitical situation, I had to move. So that was a little annoying to me, you know, because honestly, I started building a life there, and I definitely loved the city where I was, especially Limassol, you know. Um, and so that was a little unpredictable and kind of annoying to me, but um, I was like, it's fine. So then I had to find another city, you know. Um, I'm originally from Paris, so I went there to spend a few months, and I had to find another place, you know. I don't see myself for now anyway going back to France. Not that I don't like it, it's just I think I've changed too much for France, and that's why I don't really see myself living there anymore. Yeah. I still have family there, so I go there some, well, it happens that I go there, but I don't really see myself living there. So I had to find another city, and my choice was mainly Europe, you know, because I feel like life is pretty good in Europe. It's pretty safe in comparison of other countries in the world, especially now. So my first choice was Europe, but then which city in Europe? I visited multiple countries in Europe, but yeah, I needed to find the specific city, you know. Um, and so after searching and searching and searching, I was like, why not Germany, you know? Um, and then I was like, okay, but I don't speak German. Like I never actually learned German before. So I don't speak German. I don't understand even a word, you know. But I was like, okay, I love new challenges. Why not? And then I needed to start to like find the city. My first choice was Frankfurt or Berlin. And then I started researching a little more about the city, and yeah, my last choice was basically Berlin. So that's why I decided to move here. Now, knowing myself, I don't know how long I'm gonna be here, but while I am, I definitely have a lot of projects that I want to start. some that I want to continue, and yeah, I'm very excited for all of it. Maybe you know, maybe you don't, but I'm a coach. I recently started this offer, which I'm still developing, of course. It takes time, and I understand that. And yeah, I still want to continue working on my offer, which is self-authority reset. And the offer basically is mainly helping people learning about their patterns and helping them dismantling those patterns. But it's also way more than that. It's also a lot about understanding yourself, learning what you want to do in this life, what's your purpose, removing any or releasing any kind of emotional baggage. And it's a transformational kind of work. If you're interested, I will put the link in the description, and you can book a call with me, or you can also join one of the group that I just started recently. It's a self-authority reset, but in group form. So for now, I just keep a small group, around 10 people, which is enough. Like it's already. I think it's a group format for a group like this. I want this to stay personal and to be able to give attention for each person, you know, in the group. So yeah, if you're interested, don't hesitate, and don't hesitate and just click on the link on the description. Yeah. So other than that, yeah, for now I really like that city, this city where I'm in. I'm also thinking of starting events very soon, which I started one. I mean, I made one event, a really private event, because it was a little hard to organize. I did one event when I was in Limassol, and I really liked the experience, even though it was a small event, you know. But yeah, I really want to continue this this year and do it more frequently, you know. So yeah, what else? What else? What else? So yeah, that was it. I think that was it. I will continue with my regular video, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. See you. Bye.